Alright, making the trek to the last place. We're going to a small Adit just to check it out, sample the dump. You can see how high we are up. Way down at the bottom there's a power line. That's the road we came in on. We're about 500 meters above that right now. You can see how steep it is. And we're making our way to the Adit. So we'll see you when we get there, if we do. Alright, we are here. Alright, so here we are at the Adit. It's just a small little guy. You can see the mineralized zone, lots of mineralization in here. So here's the mineralized seam that they were following. Looks like they removed a decent amount of it over here. A little bit of your pyrites there. Quartz vein right there. Got some copper minerals in there. Not a whole lot. See quite a bit of copper on the floor of the Adit there. Doesn't appear to be a lot left in here. Maybe a little bit, but I'd say you have more on the floor down in here. So if anything, you have to remove quite a bit of material that's looked like it caved in to be able to reach it. Nice little seam here. Got a nice amount of mineralization there. We'll take a sample off here actually. See if I can pull it off. Alright, we got a couple hunks here with mineralization. So that's pretty much all I'd say is left in here. Alright, so that's the Adit. We'll take a sample from this little dump area here. Nice looking sample right there actually. And that'll be it. Alright, so we just pulled a sample from right there with a little bit of mineralization here. Malachite staining. So we'll keep that as a sample, and we just took this sample from right in here along this other mineralized zone. Got a bit of copper staining there, chalcopyrite and pyrite. So that's the two samples we're going to take. This zone here extends all the way up along here, and there's noticeable pyrite mineralization there, as well as there in minor amounts. And this continues till it gets up there and stops. So I think this is probably going to be the last trip we take to this Adit. Maybe search around the area, but I don't think there's too much left. They did a good job of cleaning this one out. Alright, so now we are going to make the trek back. We are going to head down here and go all the way down to the road. Safety first. Alright, so on the way down, we noticed a small exposure here. Looks like you have massive amounts of pyrite and chalcopyrite amongst your rock. And it looks like your zone of oxidization continues up here and all the way over here to about right here, where it goes underneath your overburden. So we'll see if we can pull one off here quickly before we leave, and we'll have to make note of this and come back. Alright, so I hammered a little bit off. You can see it's pure chalcopyrite. We got our sample here, so we're good to go. And now this is the end of the video, so we'll see you next time. Take care.